I'm here with Chris Deutsch, who is West Coast Product and Training Manager for JVC. How are you?
I'm doing great.
You've got screens all over the place here.
Yes,
1080p is the key word, but maybe you're going to tell us a little bit why your products are different from all the others we see around the show.
I'd be glad to do that. There's a couple of JVC basics that are real important. The HD-ILA rear projections are what we're talking about today, and they all the new models for 2006 have a 1080p input, so you can connect any high-resolution source. But 1080p isn't just about the future. It's not just about computers and Blu-ray and video games. It's also a better way to watch the TV broadcasts that are coming over the airwaves every day, whether it's Jay Leno or Saturday Night Live. They're all in 1080 by 1920 resolution, and a 1080p lets you see every dot in the original broadcast, whereas a traditional 720p plasma or rear projection design, you're throwing away almost half of the dots that you have. Now, our 1080p HD-ILA is unique because we use a 3-chip design. We believe 3 chips are better than 1. So we have 1 chip for red, 1 for green, and 1 for blue. And each of those chips has 2 million dots, approximately. They've got 1,080 dots going that way by 1,920 dots coming across. So that's 2 million dots per chip. Multiply that by 3 chips. Think of it as a 6-megapixel light engine. Some of our biggest competitors only use a single chip, and believe it or not, they're making a 1080p picture with 1,080 dots this way, but they only have 960 dots that way on their chip or mirrors, and each mirror has to do 2 pixels. So they're only getting a 1 megapixel light engine compared to our 6 megapixel light engine. That's why our 1080p picture looks so much better.
And one of the things for our readers you were saying is it's really a good quality picture, but it's not that expensive, in fact.
Yes. We've got a 56, a 61, and a 70-inch here, and these range what we call best value retail. The 56 is $29.99. The 61 is $34.99. Obviously, a 61-inch plasma would be a lot more than that. And a 70-inch plasma, I don't think you can even get one in regular, normal production. They're
coming. They're coming.
Yes, they are, but they're still going to be much more expensive.
But
one other thing to be aware of is we have something called Advanced Super Cinema Mode. This is a new way that we are tying together 2 technologies: our iris control, which regulates how much light goes from the lamp into the light engine, and our Genessa CPU. The Genessa chip is our single chip picture computer, and the iris is now controlled by the Genessa chip, and the iris is able to respond to changes in the picture. As a result, we've got now a contrast ratio that is better than 10,000 to 1, wow, which is pretty impressive on these HD-ILAs, and we also have better black level than we've had in the past.
And these products are all in the market now?
They have just started shipping within the last 30 days, so they're brand new. This is the latest. This is the greatest from JVC.
They're available in the U.S. and for our international readers in Europe?
I will ask them to contact their local JVC retailer to find out what's available over there. And if you're looking for something smaller, make sure to check out our 1080p LCDs, which we have in 46-inch size and in 40-inch size as well.
Well, Chris, thank you very much for this interview, and it's been a pleasure.
All right, nice to meet you.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.